Hello all, how you all doing? So, a customer asked me if I could renovate their kitchen. So this is the kitchen before. As you can see, the walls are in dire need of some TLC. So it's a case of ripping out the old kitchen, taking out all the old plumbing, and just capping that off for now, and getting all the walls sorted. So here you can see I've had some weird sort of like chalk substance underneath the old kitchen. I think it looks like old soap or something. Not sure what that was. And also the drain looked like it had like a slow leak where it had been connected. This is very odd and definitely needs fixing and sorting. So this is once I've dry lined some of the walls. This is before. Obviously that's the old door frame. And then what we're doing is we're just adding in a nice corner to finish it off and to make it look beautiful. So this is a timber framed house. Well, not a timber framed house. This is a timber house. It's not even framed as timber. It just is timber. So these are ex-military houses. So again, it's a very interesting project because this is quite unusual. A lot of the other tradespeople didn't want to do this build because it was a timber. So this here is a piece of wood that the customer had found. She asked me to turn it into a step, and I was like, okay, I'll do that. So this is the step before, and this is my helper for the day. And this is what the step looked like after. I think it looks absolutely amazing. I sanded it down. I'm very good with wood, and this is the overall effect. So in the ceiling we've got like the strip lights. That wasn't done by myself. That was done by a different person. And this is actually was done by her son. He's very skilled himself. And this is the overall effects of the kitchen after we've done like the first skim of plaster. So this is dry lining. And it's coming together. It's looking really nice. It took me 3 days to get it up to this level. So that just gives you an idea of how long it takes. If you'd like to employ me, just go to my website and you can book me and pay using PayPal.